Hi, it's Donna from Scenic Roots Garden Center. I figured I might as well bring Thirsty Thursdays to you now since we haven't been able to have any this season due to COVID. I think it's very important, especially since produce is starting to come at us left and right, up and down. Your neighbors are starting to give stuff away. Farm stands are starting to really fill up. So I figured we can do this once a week and I can showcase an herb, a fruit, a vegetable, what's mostly in season at the time and what you can mostly, what's in abundance at the farmer's market. So Jordan and I went to Sawchuck Farm this week and we went blueberry picking with a friend, and I will tell you, I've never been before and I never thought it would be so therapeutic. There was just something about standing at a blueberry bush for about 20 minutes, just slowly plucking and just chit-chatting with your friend while your daughters are off playing in between the blueberry bushes and, you know, picking their own bucket. It was just, it was really satisfying. I really enjoyed it. So if you've gone blueberry picking before, please comment below. Let me know where you've been and, you know, whether you found it as a stress release as much as I did. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a blueberry mojito. Obviously, I have a ton of blueberries, and what do you usually do? Blueberry muffins, blueberry pancakes, blueberry smoothies. Well, how about a blueberry mojito? And since mint is the main ingredient, and that's the one herb that is prevalent in everybody's garden, and we've always had a ton of customers asking us how to keep mint from spreading. So I know you all have a lot of mint. So first of all, this cocktail makes two drinks. So they're asked for a cup of blueberries. So you want to put a cup of blueberries into your shaker, and it's recommended probably about 10 to 12 leaves of mint. So I just pick them off and pluck them right into the shaker. A couple squeezes of some lime wedges. Now it does ask for an ounce of simple syrup, and most people don't have simple syrups in their cabinet. It's something that you have to make. A simple syrup is as easy as a cup of water and a cup of sugar. You're going to boil the water with the sugar on your stovetop, and when the sugar dissolves, you pull it from the burner and let it cool, and then that's your simple syrup. You can use your simple syrup and store it in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 weeks. So I have just a plain sugar simple syrup. When I do my Thirsty Thursdays and you've been to my garden center, you know I do simple syrup and I infuse them a lot. I do a thyme simple syrup, a lemongrass simple syrup. I've done strawberry, blueberry simple syrups, rhubarb simple syrup. So it's really fun to play with the flavors. It's just water and sugar, and then you can infuse any herb that you want and any vegetable that you want, any shrub. I've done the balsam shrub at Christmas time. So I have my blueberries, I have my mint, I have my simple syrup. Also, if you don't feel like making simple syrup, the recipe also says you can do 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you would put the sugar in the base of this canister too. And then it does call for an ounce of lime juice. And then what you want to do is take your muddler and smush everything together. Just get in there and really blend the blueberries in. You want to be forceful because you want the mint. You want the mint leaves to break up, so when you release the juices from the mint, that's what gives you your flavor. So you do want to rough up the leaves too. And once you have those blueberries nice and mushed up, and you can really start to see, let's see if I can do that without pouring it out. Can you see that? Probably not. So once you have all that done, pour in some ice. Give a good shake. Here's my glass with ice. Oh, we almost forgot. Here we are. 4 ounces of white rum. Pour your mixture over ice. Remember, you're splitting that between 2. So you fill it up to about 3/4 of the way, and then it's just a splash of soda water. And then garnish with a lime. And there's your mojito. It's a perfect spritz to a summer drink. Enjoy. We'll see you for the next one.